Tired of traditional finance holding you back? Craving more privacy and control over your money? You're not alone. That's why we're diving deep into Beam, a groundbreaking cryptocurrency focused on absolute privacy. But before you can unleash the power of Beam, you need a wallet. So, let's get started. How do I register my Beam wallet? Beam is a privacy coin built on the Mimblewimble protocol, meaning your transactions are shielded from prying eyes. No more worrying about your financial data being tracked or analyzed. With Beam, you are in control. But remember, privacy comes with responsibility. Always use Beam responsibly and ethically. Now, let's get you set up. Here's how to register your Beam wallet. Download the Beam wallet, head to the official Beam website, link in the description below, and download the wallet for your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Install and run. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the wallet. Once installed, launch the wallet application. Create a new wallet. Click on Create a new wallet. You'll be prompted to create a strong password. Choose a unique and complex password that's difficult to guess. Write down your 24-word seed phrase. This is crucial for wallet recovery. Store it securely offline. Confirm your seed phrase by re-entering it in the correct order. Secure your wallet. Consider enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, for an extra layer of security. Explore wallet encryption options to further protect your funds. Start exploring. Congratulations! Your Beam wallet is now ready. Explore the wallet interface. Get familiar with sending and receiving Beam, checking your balance, and viewing transaction history. Remember, this is a simplified guide. For a more in-depth experience, visit the official Beam documentation. You'll find detailed instructions, troubleshooting tips, and answers to frequently asked questions. Security is paramount when dealing with cryptocurrencies. Always be vigilant about phishing scams, and never share your seed phrase with anyone. With Beam, you're taking control of your financial privacy. Start exploring the exciting world of private cryptocurrency today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.